Hi guys, this is me, Juliette
and Sabrina.
And today, oh my god, I'm so excited. Today we're going to be opening a Nintendo Switch. Happy New Year, new us. So let's open it. Here it is.
And here's
the ultimate Nintendo Switch.
And here's the game for it.
We're playing Super Mario Odyssey. So I'm going to open this.
Okay,
Nintendo.
I'm gonna open the DVD.
Okay, just making sure my Nintendo is okay.
Oh, you open right. That's to put this. That's
I know. Charge it.
This is one to put this right here. Charge. And you have to turn it upside down to put it on. Like put it upside down to charge it. Yoshio! I can't open it.
Okay guys, here's the Nintendo Switch. You can see it's just a Switch. We have the whatever that is. We have those two things. The controllers. And it's kind of like a wheel.
And this is the thing to put this.
So if you want to play alone, you can just like play alone. Here. And here is the Switch.
If you want to put it here to charge.
Switch.
Here is the DVD. I opened it.
Okay.
And look, it's in here.
This is where you put the this in there to connect to the TV. So yeah. Let's plug this in and we could start playing.
Look at this little teeny tiny thing was in the DVD. This is the little teeny tiny thing that is in here. I can't believe that. Wait, where did you put it? Put it. Oh yeah, you put it right here to play the game. Right here to play the game, and then press it if you don't want to. Just put it in here. Whoa. So I'm gonna put these. Now I'm gonna put this one in.
This.
Okay, it's lie down.
I already did that. Oh.
Like you have to slide them both down. Now. Damn it. Chinese, I know a Chinese.
The America Arab store.
I already know Chinese.
By selecting the accept button, you don't know what you have read and agree to be bound to buy the end user license agreement. If you do not agree, stop using the system. What do you have to press here? I have no idea.
And here.
I have no idea. What is this? Time zone. We created an account and now we're back. So
let's play.
Oh, Mario! looks like this is the end for you.
Super duper!
Boom!
Oh, he got Princess Peach. And I think
Time for a wedding with Peach. Jealous Mario.
you're happy, Mario.
Keep going down and going down. Let's
See this first.
I think I'm Cappy.
And I think I'm Mario. So he's right there. I see Mario.
I think the Nintendo Switch is really fun. Yeah, so bye guys.
Bye.
When this video ends, we're gonna still be playing this. I think this is kind of fun. I'm looking at the Nintendo. Subscribe to our channel, like the video, and turn on the notifications bell so you can notify us on every day when there's a video coming out. Also, I like how my friends in Roblox us playing with them, which is Liana and Jessica. Yeah, if you check out the slime video, then you could see them because they're my friends in School 11. Bye! Give this video to 30,000 likes.
And subscribers.
Like.
I think the game is kind of fun. Anyways, we never started playing the game. The first part of the Nintendo Switch, I didn't understand because the instructions were too long. So, yeah. That's usually what I say. Well, bye guys. See you next time.